US President's vague remarks stir fresh controversy over India-Pakistan conflict and American role in brokering peace. US President Donald Trump has once again stirred the geopolitical pot, claiming during a private White House dinner that 5 jets were shot down during the recent India-Pakistan military clash that followed the Pahalgam terror attack in April. The remark, vague on details and lacking any confirmation, has reignited debate around Operation Sindoor, India's major retaliatory campaign in early May. Planes were being shot out of the air, 4 or 5, but I think 5 jets were shot down actually, Trump said casually without clarifying which country's aircraft he was referring to. His comments have added to the fog surrounding the 4-day military escalation between the nuclear-armed rivals. The operation was launched by India after a devastating terror attack killed 26 civilians in Jammu and Kashmir, including tourists. Over 72 hours, Indian forces conducted precision air and missile strikes deep inside Pakistani territory, targeting what they described as terrorist infrastructure and military assets. Pakistan, for its part, has long claimed that it downed several Indian jets, including 3 Rafales, and captured pilots, but has provided no credible evidence. India has consistently denied losing any Rafales or having pilots captured. Indian military leaders have acknowledged the loss of aircraft during the operation but dismiss exaggerated enemy claims. The important question isn't it how many jets were downed, but why. India's Chief of Defence has remarked previously, highlighting the IAF's swift tactical evolution and successful deep strike capability during the operation. Adding to the friction, Trump took credit for the May 10th ceasefire, suggesting US diplomacy and even threats of halting trade talks ended the conflict. He said, "You want a trade deal? You can't throw around weapons," he claimed. However, India has flatly denied any foreign mediation, asserting that the crisis was managed bilaterally and no external pressure influenced its military or diplomatic decisions. Further casting doubt on Pakistan's claims, Dassault Aviation, the French manufacturer of the Rafale fighter jets, called the reports of Rafales being downed factually incorrect. Trump's latest comments add to a growing list of contentious statements around the South Asian standoff. While his version may raise eyebrows, what remains clear is that Operation Sindoor marked a turning point in India's military response strategy, and its political narrative remains firmly under New Delhi's control.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.